Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we want to focus on the 10 things that many people would like to know about the gospel musician Dorcas Moyo. Number 1. Dorcas Moyo was born in Goromonzi in 1981, meaning she is 42 years in 2023. She is the third born in a family of 6, 2 boys and 4 girls, and she says that growing up, her father was a strict disciplinarian. Number 2, for her education, she went to Goromonzi Primary School, and for her high school education, she went to Chinyika Secondary School, and for her tertiary education, she majored in food sciences. Number 3, Dorcas says she was born with a passion for music. She started singing at the age of 6 when she joined the praise and worship team at church, making her the youngest member there. Despite having started singing at such a young age, she only released her first album in 2006 called Ndinokushedza Jesu. After that, she was unstoppable, and up to date she has about 7 albums and 14 singles under her name. To decorate such a musical feat, she has a 2022 Zima Award for Best Traditional Gospel Music, as well as a 2023 Nama Award for Outstanding Female Musician. Number 6, Dorcas Moyo is based in Mwari. She is married to Frank Moyo and they have 6 children. Number 7, even though she has been singing for a long time, she only became famous after the release of her song Moyo Haakotsire, which features progressive band, which led to more collaborations with the likes of Blessing Shumba amongst many others. Number 8, Dorcas Moyo made national history after she became the first ever gospel musician from Manicaland to reach 1.4 million views on YouTube. Number 9, she says that her inspiration comes from the likes of Michael Mayendere, Shingisai Suluma, as well as Tasha Cobbs. Number 10, Dorcas Moyo is a nutritionist by profession, and in 2021 she was running a kitchen next to a dialysis center in Mwari. That concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.